Athena vs Ava Everett uko umukino wagenze. Athena vs Ava Everett on the episode of AEW Collision. Angry following a recent loss in Casino Gauntlet, Athena immediately grabbed Everett at the opening bell and delivered 3 consecutive German suplex. Athena knocked Everett out of the ring with a running boot and executed a running kick from the apron. When Everett attempted a crossbody comeback, Athena caught her and slammed her back face into the ringside barrier. Back in the ring, Everett managed a minor offensive flurry, executing a boot to the corner, a quick roll-up for 1 count, and a stunner. Athena quickly shut down the offense with a devastating boot to the face, followed by a deadlift Rager powerbomb and heavy sliding forearm. She often rocked Everett in Koji Crunch, forcing her to tap out in just 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Athena was celebrating her win and walking back up to the entrance ramp. She crossed the path and exchanged heated words with the Brawling Beat, Jamie Hayter and Alex Windsor, who were heading down to the ring. Barakubwira ko Athena yabashije gutsinda Ava Everett, amutsinda ku buryo bworoshye kubera ko umukino wabo wamaze iminota 2 n'amasegonda 11 mu mikino ya AEW Collisions. On the episode of AEW Collision, Ring of Honor Women's World Champion Athena defeated Ava Everett via submission in a dominant squash match. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check on product tagged in this video. If you have any suggestion or recommendation, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wakoze pana nanjye. Tekereza cyangwa inyunganizi wanjye muri comment. Yo, you can like and subscribe. Wakoze ugire ibihe byiza.